over to the condo market in the GTA. So condo market in the GTA, month over month, we were only down 0.8%, so it held up pretty decently. Transaction volume did increase 1.5%. New listings were down 1.8% as we probably saw a little bit more activity in January for new listings. Median days on market fell from 37 days to 22 days, which is not, it's to be expected when you're transitioning from a December, January to the February. The market starts to pick up more. We start to see activity pick up, which we have with the transaction volume increasing slightly. Now, if we're looking year over year, we are down 4.9% year over year from 662 down to 630. Transaction volumes are down 30% from what we were seeing last year. Now, let's not forget, the start of last year was pretty tough. As we made our way to the back 6 months of the year, we started to see the markets somewhat recover in certain areas and get a little bit better, so it was a little bit more sluggish to begin the year. Now, when we look at the new listing volume, up 12% from last year. Last year there was 4,798. This year 5,375. Days on market was up 10%. So we were at 20 days last year. We're 22 days this year. And then termination volume is up 30% as we see more properties potentially reprice. And then if we look at where we were last year, January, February, compared to this January and February, we're down 2.8% in the median price. When it comes to the transaction volume, we're down 22.2%. The new listings volume is up 23.7%. Median days on market is 12.5% to the upside. And when we look at the termination volume, 34.3 more terminations to start this year than last year. All right, let's look at active listings. They're up 46%, okay, from 2024's numbers. We can see 2024 was at 6,045 active listings. We're at 8,793. Big uptick here. This is since 2011. So we've seen a big uptick, and it's not leveling out. It's picking up steam, it looks like. So we should probably get into the 12,000 range potentially. We should exceed what we saw last year in 2024. When we look at the median sale, we can see prices are coming down. They're about to potentially go below where we saw in 2021. As long as active listings keep piling up in the market, we're going to see a decrease in the prices. We can see that 2020 was holding the line here. I suspect that we're probably going to bounce around here, depending on, again, what happens in April, what happens with the tariffs, if the Trump scales them back, makes them a little bit more minute. We could see a return of buyers to the market to start soaking up some of those active listings and stabilizing the prices. When we look at months of inventory, again, we're at 5.3 months of inventory. We're way up there compared to what we've seen in the past 15 years.